to our new empty apartment tour. Don't mind the ladder. I don't know why maintenance never took that ladder out, but welcome to our new apartment. So as you guys know, we are now a family of 3 and we need more space. Yes, we are still living in a high-rise. We are not ready for the suburbs and we're not ready for us to get rid of the city life. So we decided to still do the city life even with a baby. That's my son pooping in one of the rooms right now. Anyways, parent life. A lot of you guys were like, how are you gonna do a city life or a high-rise with a baby? I don't know what you guys are talking about, but I think it's like the best because we get to go on walks every day and it's just, I don't know, I think it's doable with 1 child. Maybe when we get to baby number 2, we'll think about going to the suburbs, but for now we're really, really living a city life. But anyway.
Okay, you might want to go check on him.
Looks constipated. Mommy, are you okay? I think it's just a very big poop. So yeah, this is by far like our favorite apartment. Oh my God.
How the hell you feed him?
Sorry guys, this is so embarrassing. He's constipated.
I don't know what that is, but he's pushing out a Ford truck out of his butt right now. Go ahead.
Mama. Relax. It's probably like a dream apartment of mine, to be honest. It's everything that I've been like wanting as far as like views and all that. So let's get to it. We have something that we haven't had in the other. What do I do? Something that we haven't had in the other apartment is like a little corridor space, you know. In the other apartment you would just walk in and the kitchen is booming in your face. So I love that. Okay, so this is a whole corridor situation. All right, so when you walk in, come on in. Oh, why didn't you turn these on? How do you turn these on? Thank you. All right, let's start with the living room. This is the living room space. And it has the wraparound windows, floor to ceiling windows. Mommy, I'm trying to film over here, which I love. That is like a must, and I've always wanted this like wraparound. We had it in the other apartment, but I think this one is like more like spacious. So this is the living room space. This is the kitchen, which I am so obsessed with. One thing I didn't like about the last one is that it was like a little bit like the countertop and it was just not my aesthetic. This is much more my aesthetic. We got the marble, we got the little black touches, we have the underlight, which is so pretty, and we have a really nice big island. We had that there, but I feel like this is nicer. Fridge here, mini fridge, where all the drinks, and by drinks, you know the drill, water, sodas, sparkling water, that kind of vibe. One thing that I love about this apartment is that every single room has views and you can see the beach and the city life, which is like perfect and very rare to find. It's either you get either or. And this balcony is huge. It literally, like you have the entrance of the balcony from here to the other room to the other room, which we'll show you guys. So you can see the beach here and a little bit of the city there, which would be so pretty. Okay, that's the living room space. We have this little eye wall dock thing. I'm not sure what this is about yet, but I'm assuming there's probably like speakers or something somewhere here, maybe. That's what that's for. I don't know. Okay, you come on in here. Sorry guys, it's getting like dark, but you come here, and this is the main bedroom. This is the only one that has like the city.
Today, Junior!
The word city view. I will admit our other apartment had like top tier city views. It was like way better than this. But you know, you win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is income.
What? What is this, sell your course video or an apartment tour?
You know what I mean? So It is what it is. But we get a little bit of city. And then you come to the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom I love. Show them you, baby. You can say hi. You want to say hi? You don't have to say hi if you don't want to say hi.
What up?
What up? Okay, this is the bathroom. Even though it's his and hers, to be honest with you guys, I've taken over this bathroom, and then Celine has taken over the other bathroom in our old apartment.
It's because Nahum takes big poops.
I don't take big poops. It's you that takes big poops. And you know what? Yeah, if you can do that because it's just way better having your own apartment, your own bathroom. And
what sold me is the double shower head.
yes, we'll get to that. But anyway, so this is technically my bathroom. We'll show you Celine's later, even though it's a his and hers. And I love the built-in LED here. Like, yes, content lighting, because the other one didn't. Even though our other bathroom was very nice because you had like the shower.
And you can see the view in the shower.
And you can see the view in the shower. Again, you win some, you lose some, you know. And here we have a tub. Not a tub. We have a shower. Why do you think there's two double heads?
One to clean your ass crack, another one to clean your front side.
But how can you reach your ass crack that high?
If water's gonna get to your ass crack, it's gonna get there one way or another.
Anyway, I think this is like supposed to be like a very
All right.
romantic, sexual. No, really, why do you think that's there?
To get really clean.
Really? No, it's for two people to shower at the same time.
Okay.
Come on, it's a penthouse. You know what people do in penthouses. Okay, come here. All right, this is my closet, which, you know, it's cool. I might get, honestly, let me show you guys. This is supposed to be like both of our closets, but again, this is all gonna be my closet. It's a good space, it's a walk-in, you know, pretty good space, but I have so much shit that I'm actually thinking of doing like a built-in wall closet system here with my vanity built in. So
where does the TV go?
Stay tuned for that. My closet over a TV.
Nope, we need a TV in the bedroom.
Yeah, right here?
Nope. There's not even an outlet there.
This is smaller than our other bedroom, huh?
I said that.
It is. Anyways, okay, so that's that. Then we walk into here. This is bedroom number 2, which is actually going to be Eunice's room. That's honestly the most thing I'm excited about, and why we even decided to move is because I want Eunice to have his own room. I want to get like a huge playpen and just have him like play freely here, have all his toys here. He's gonna have a closet. I'm still debating if I should make this his closet or make it like another closet for me. But you know, we'll figure it out. One thing that we love is that every single room has floor-to-ceiling windows. It also has the balcony, and it all has views. Like the views are just in every room. So I love if we have family here, they're all gonna have views. I'll show you guys the balcony once we get to the other room. I'm very excited to decorate his nursery because he didn't get to have a full nursery in our other apartment. Oh my God. One thing that we're very excited about, which is rare for apartments to have a laundry room. It's not huge, but it's a laundry room. It's not just like a closet. We have a walk-in laundry room. I'm very happy about that. Like living in apartments, I know this is like a luxury to have, so even though it's like basic in homes, but yeah, love that we have an actual full-on laundry room. Okay, and then last bedroom, this is gonna be, Celine likes to call it his room.
Yeah, it is my room, but
it's really the office, and he's like, well, you're never in the office, so it's my room. Whatever, we'll just say that to make him feel better. But, so this is technically gonna be the office / like guest bedroom-ish, you know? So if my family or his family comes, this is where they're hanging. And again, views on views on views on views. He is also gonna have this closet, since I took over the other closet. So I think this is pretty spacious for you, babe. Look, it's probably the same size as mine.
I don't know, maybe.
Yours is just wider.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy for you that you get
Finally
a bigger closet, because in the current apartment, he was struggling a little bit. He gave me the bigger closet all to myself.
And I got some little baby ass closet.
He literally just had like one of those like swipe open door one closet. So I'm happy for you, babe.
Thanks, babe.
This is gonna be Celine's bathroom / guest bathroom. So this is it.
You seen the trend? I gotta share with everyone else. You're the only person that doesn't share.
We got well, it's also Eunice, because Eunice is gonna be showering here. He needs a tub. So this is gonna be, he's gonna get the tub. You get a really pretty mirror. The storage space here, I'm probably going to take.
What are you leaving for anybody to have for themselves?
Okay. No, baby, you get a closet.
Oh my God! Wow!
You get a closet. Okay, let me show you guys the balcony. It's so big. You have no idea what to do with this space, but I love it so much. I think I want to do like an actual like seating area, like a couch and some lights.
I might just start doing workouts out here.
Honestly, you could. And we do like a whole other. You know what? You know how I had the treadmill in my old apartment outside? But I get scared, babe. What if you like run so fast, like it falls? That's why I stopped working outside. Or when you lift dumbbells, it's so heavy, it falls.
That's staying in the vlog, by the way.
Yeah, I don't know why I had that fear. I legit had a treadmill outside in our old apartment, and I loved it.
I know you're going through postpartum, but you were never
No, but
that
I swear to
heavy
God, I thought about
to
that.
where you would break the balcony.
I was like, okay, if I'm like, that's so much pressure, you know? I don't think you're supposed to do that. I don't know. So we're not, even though I would love to, but I just have that fear. Anyway, I want to make this a really aesthetic outdoor area and kind of have like each, like a seating for each balcony. Now the not so fun part, you guys, we have to organize everything. Even though it's the same building, but still. So that is it. That is our entire apartment tour, empty apartment tour. I'm very excited to decorate this space. I have like some ideas of what I want to do. I really want to do like a hotel vibe in some of the bedrooms. I'm excited for him to finally have his own nursery, so I need to decorate that and get that going. And yeah, this is gonna be home and we're very excited. I hope you guys like it, and I'll definitely take you guys along with me in the whole like decor process, and then we'll do like a furnished apartment tour, because I've been really into like home decor lately. I really want to make this feel like a hotel in a way. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for... Mama, I think you're done pooping. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, he's doing this on purpose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.